All right, and welcome to Party of Two Cruising. I'm Patrick, and last night, as you can see here, I got my boarding time on the Carnival celebration. Some people were having a little bit of trouble getting in because there's so many people on that and so many priority people that got to do their check-in last night. And I got 9:30 to 10. I don't ever remember being that early, but again, I haven't been out of Miami in quite a while. So, did I really need to do this? Did I need to stay up late and check in? Or could have I just shown up when I wanted to? We'll be back in 8 seconds, and I'll let you know. Alright, so if you've sailed out of Tampa, Florida, at Port Tampa, you know Captain Carnival, otherwise known as Brian Fay, but he is the captain of the terminal, and I guarantee you can recognize him here in this video if you have sailed out of Tampa. He makes boarding fun, and he makes it entertaining, so it passes the time that you're waiting to get on. Well, he made a notice on his Facebook page that things had changed, and I noticed the last time we went out of Tampa, the boarding order had changed, and a lot of people have been complaining about this for a while, that why do suite guests need to board first when people that are diamond and platinum have earned their right to board first? Well, he made an announcement on his Facebook page, and I'll put that link in the description down below. Follow him. He gives you some good information, and he tells you what's going on in Tampa. He does all the Carnival ships going in and out of Tampa. Well, it changed, folks, and I noticed it last week when we went on the Mardi Gras. This is your now boarding order. So when you arrive at the terminal, let's just say that you checked in, as I did here, and I had 9:30 to 10. But let's just say that I couldn't get on, or some of you didn't get on last night. You got the 1:30 to 2, or the 12 to 12:30 boarding time, but you want to get on the ship early. Well, if you were able to check in basically early than more regular boarding, just show up at that regular time. It doesn't matter. You are a priority guest and you get to board the ship first, no matter what your check-in time is. And this is fleet-wide. So for example, if you are in a wedding party and you actually have a wedding on that ship, you get to board first. And then the next call is going to be for your diamond members, then your platinum members, and then your suite guest, and then finally your faster to the fun. Yes, faster to the fun. So you paid to get on a little bit early. Now remember, once they start boarding, this goes pretty fast, and it did even on the Mardi Gras last week. Even regular general boarding people were starting to board within probably 30 minutes of us being on the ship. So it doesn't matter what your boarding time is. As Captain Carnival would say, people were sitting in the terminal going like, why aren't you boarding? You're a platinum member. Well, I don't have but 1 to 1:30 boarding time. Doesn't matter. Get on the ship. If you are a priority guest, again, got 12, 12:30, 1 to 1:30 boarding time, show up at 9:30, and when they start boarding and they call that priority, whatever you are, whether you're at a wedding party, a diamond, a platinum, or faster to the fun, go ahead and get up when they call that group. No more waiting. Alrighty? So again, I will put Captain Carnival's link down there. He gives out some pretty good information. He doesn't have a YouTube channel as of yet, but he does have a Facebook page. So again, boarding priority always goes first. And I love it that they finally moved the suite guests back to the 3rd or 4th spot, because why should they get on when people have earned that? And I've heard that complaint a lot. Alright, so remember now, if you are not falling into one of these 5 categories, the weddings, the diamond, the platinum, the suite, or faster to the fun, then you are general boarding and you need to show up at your regular scheduled time that's on your boarding pass. If you get there a little bit early, they will probably turn you away. Now, I realized and noticed something when we boarded the Mardi Gras a couple of weeks ago, that they already had lines at 9:30 in the morning set up for 11:30. They had different queue lines for those people as well. How long they stayed out there, I really don't know, because we were already inside. So just remember, general boarding does not fall into any of these 5 categories. Now, while we're recognizing people, I want to recognize someone else. This person right here. This is Maritza Weiss. She is our PVP for Carnival, and she does us a great job. I get a lot of people asking, who do we use? Who will call you back? Right here, Maritza Weiss will call you back. She's been working for Carnival for quite a bit. We've been using her for years when our other PVP quit, and we ended up with Maritza, and she does us a great job. We do a lot of group cruises, and all of our friends now have basically started using her and actually saved them money. One of my other friends didn't know he had free drinks in the casino while playing, and he really is not a big gambler, but he ended up getting some better deals going through Maritza. Now, I will tell you this, she may not call you or answer the phone when you call, but she will definitely call you back within an hour to 3 hours later, because some of the PVPs are not calling people back at all. But she will. She writes down the order you called in, and she will call you back, and she will get you that good deal. So call the main number here, as you see here, and then when it tells you to dial the extension, dial 83336, and Maritza will take care of you. Well, that's all I got for today. We're counting down the days till the celebration. It'll be our first time on that ship, and we'll bring that to you. Thanks for watching Party of 2 Cruising. Have a great day, and happy cruising!